When I was at the age of 22, I started to pick up on smoking habit. Started with like 4 or 5 and then gradually increased to 1 pack, 15.
It started as one, for a quick break during work, and then it became one on the bus in and one on the bus home, and you're like, oh, I smoke 3 a day, maybe I should cut down. And you never do, and then 10 years later, you smoke 20 a day, and God knows what happened.
When I turned about 19 and I moved to Cardiff, everyone was smoking at the time. I just got into the habit on nights out and just started smoking permanently from that point then. When I was younger, it didn't really matter to me. You feel invincible, I guess, don't you? As I got older, a few of my friends started getting chronic illnesses from it. So it's like COPD. And I think it just really woke me up to the fact that actually I'm not getting any younger. I need to start really focusing on my health.
Nowadays, it affects my health immensely. I felt sometimes out of breath, especially when I go upstairs or climb steep roads.
Well, I tried 3 or 4 times to quit by myself and with, to no avail. So then I got in touch with the NHS. From the start, when I first met with Kathy, she was super encouraging. Honestly, I just found it really helpful having someone to go back to every week and say, like, I did it. Someone who was almost like relying on me and to go back and say, yeah, I've succeeded this week.
It's the in-person support that you get that is really effective in your quick journey.
I met the Stop Smoking consultant. I went through a really nice discussion and she encouraged me immensely about how to go through the steps.
Finances, huge, obvious difference. It's like having a pay rise. That's what it feels like. My lungs are just clearer. I exercise when I'm like sporty and outdoorsy and it's like very clear.
Being able to go for a run and being able to run for longer, I've seen a massive benefit in. Also just money as well. If there's an initiative within your surgery to go and get support, like I've had support from Kathy, then absolutely ask for it.
It's a matter of will along with the treatment and support from a consultant or your family. Bear in mind, it's a journey. You might stumble through that journey, but just stay focused on quit smoking.